to the dollar store today with Caitlin, and we bought a lot of stuff. I bought these all at the dollar, and I'm going to take these flowers. I got purple, and I'm going to take the eyeballs out though. I got black with skulls. I got more inside, and then I got other stuff in Michael's, and I'm going to put it all around there and make my own wreath.
I think the skull myself looks better than even if a raven, you know?
Yeah.
Like one skull or two?
Just one.
Okay, I finally finished my stained glass little project that I saw Mariah Elizabeth do, my favorite YouTuber, and all you do is take a little bit of glue, put a little thing in food coloring, mix it together, and then just stand on. Very simple little project, and I thought it came out very nice.